Hello, welcome to South Holland School District 150 Canvas. We're going to cover how to set up a parent observer account using student pairing codes. Parents, if you do not have your student with you to log in for the first time, you may need assistance from your teacher or technology personnel. Please use the email at the bottom of your screen for assistance. Once your account has been created, you will be able to use your personal email and password to log in at any time. We will first start on the student side of Canvas. Navigate to the SD150 website and select Canvas from the quick links on the left-hand side of your screen. We utilize Google Authentication for Canvas. Have your student log in with the following information: first name, last name, their 2-digit graduation year at SD150.org. Their password will be uppercase first initial, lowercase last initial, the @ symbol, and their student ID number. Once logged in, go to the Account button on the left-hand side of the screen. Click the button once and select Settings. Once in your settings, you will navigate to the right-hand side of your screen and select Pair with Observer. Parents, you will need this code to observe your students' courses in Canvas. This is important since you will need this unique code for each of your students. I would suggest copying the code for your first student and then setting up your account. After your account has been created, you can then add any additional students after generating this unique code in each of their accounts. Please note that the code is only good for 7 days. Once expired, you will need to generate the code again. Once you have the code written down, go ahead and log your student out by clicking the Account button and selecting Log Out. Parents will now set up their Observer account from the South Holland School District homepage. Go to Departments, Technology, and Canvas. From the Canvas homepage, select I am a parent. Once on the South Holland School District Canvas login page, select Parent of a Canvas user. On this screen, you will need to enter your personal information along with the unique pairing code from your student. Your full name, your personal email address, easy to remember password, and then your student's unique pairing code. Make sure that you select that you agree to the terms of use. Once ready, go ahead and click Start Participating. Once you've clicked the Start Participating button, Canvas will send an email to your account to verify your email address. Be sure to go to your email and confirm. Parents, you are now an observer in your students' courses. You can log in with your personal information and can see all the classes your students enrolled in. You will also be able to view announcements and see upcoming due dates. If you have any additional students to add to your Canvas account, follow the first couple of steps in the video to generate the pairing code and add those students to your account. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to help@sd150.org.